Hey guys, what's up? This is Sean from HK. I got 2 boxes today of 2007-2008 Chronology basketball. I'm gonna split, I think. I'm gonna do one in each video. This pack 1. This pack. We have 2 thick ones in here. Our first card is a Jim Price base card out of 250. Next we have a Inscriptions Auto Hal Greer 68 All-Star MVP. This is numbered 10 out of 99. Our next one we have draft pick number 13. Then we have a Harry Glayton base autograph. Next we have a dual jersey of David Robinson 37 out of 50. Then we have a 2 out of 10. This is a good box. Tease Gilmore gold base auto 2 out of 10. And our last card is a John Paxson base card out of 250. And box 2 will be coming up right after this.